Yo, what's the vibes, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about matching prints. Now, a lot of times everybody in their closet has pieces that they can match together that they don't know that they can match because they don't try to expand and step out of their comfort zone and try new things. Today, I'm gonna teach y'all a little bit of sauce on how you can take a couple of pieces in your closet that you may not think go together and put those together. So how this works is you need to find two different pieces in your closet that you want to wear, and then you make sure that they have the same color in it. Now, it doesn't have to have the whole same exact color scheme. Like, it doesn't have to be red, blue, and green in both pieces. It just has to have maybe just red or maybe just green. For me, we're gonna use this brown that I have. So in the brown, you see that I have on a brown here, I have on a brown here. Cool, right? Now your job is just to go in the closet and find other pieces that may have either one of these colors is fine. It could be a solid color, it could just be all brown, or it could be all light brown, or it could be brown. So for me, I decided to go with the green and brown pants because I seen, okay, well, this is a camo and it looks like both of these browns fit with the pants. Cool. Okay. Now, as y'all can see, the first piece that I went and put on was a gray t-shirt. The reason why I put on a gray t-shirt is just for comfort. If somebody sees my jacket or I get too hot and I still want to be matching, I could take off the jacket, or I could take off whatever I have on top, and I'm still matching, I'm still chilling, and I'm fine. So I went with the gray t-shirt, and then on top of that, I went ahead and I put on a brown hoodie because, like I said, we're trying to match all of these colors together without necessarily having to match. So I went with the brown hoodie, and then I went with the tan hat up top. So the last piece that I went with this fit is gonna be the white jacket. Now I know what you're thinking, like, how is this all gonna match, or how is it gonna fit together? It's fashion, bro. It doesn't have to necessarily fit together. You just gotta really freak it. You gotta pull it off. Now for me, I see the colors. If you look at me and I just have on, look at me for the top up or the bottom down without the jacket on, it already matches, right? Which is cool. But if you still wanna go ahead and really freak it, you throw the jacket on and you still have all the same colors that you already have on. The white's the only color that's not in the pants, but that's fine. But that's why we throw on the camo shoes, because the shoes have what? White, but it still has what? All the same colors that we have wear in our hat, in our jacket, in our pants. So when you blend all of this together, what do you get? You get a decent fit. You get a fit that's compatible, and people may look at it and be like, I may have never thought about that. But all you're doing is you're taking all the colors from everything and making sure that it's still implied in everything. Even if you can't get it in a hoodie, you can still get it in a hat. As long as you're not putting colors that are not in that color scheme, you can pretty much put as much. You can throw a scarf, you can do whatever you want to do. If you can match any other piece that you have to the pants, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. That's how you gotta look at it. Don't complicate it. So for me, like I said, you look at the shoes and you look at the pants, you're like, all right, that works. You look at the jacket, you look at the pants, that works. You look at these colors and the pants, you look at the jacket and the pants, you may go, damn, that don't match. But when you put everything together, that's what's making it match. You get me? There's a lot of y'all that are still in like high school, college. Y'all still get dressed every day, or you go to work and you have a relaxed dress code at work. So you want to put that shit on when you go out, or when you are actually stepping out and going out to the club or wherever you're going. You like to look good, and I'm just trying to get you to rethink about how you look at your clothes in your closet, because I'm telling you, I go in people's closets all the time and I'm like, damn, you got some nice stuff, but it seems like they don't never really try to like put it on. You kind of like shy away from it because of like, damn, well, does this match or does this not match? I'm telling you now, you probably, if you go in your closet after watching this video and you look, you're gonna be like, damn, I got some stuff that I could probably put together that'll be crazy. Now the thing is you don't gotta do that every day. It's not no everyday type thing, but when you feeling like, you know what, I'm trying to step out a little bit, let me layer up real quick. Boom. If y'all like content like this, make sure that y'all like, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.